Hello viewers, welcome to Rs.399. Today I have this JBL Go Bluetooth speaker first generation's battery for sale. These batteries are harvested from working JBL Go Bluetooth speaker. So this is the first generation of JBL Go Bluetooth speaker. So many people have this. So this is the first generation JBL Go Bluetooth speaker, and these batteries are harvested from this type of working original JBL Go Bluetooth speaker, because I have received so many comments and calls regarding these batteries. So I am making this video to sell these batteries. So please don't compare these batteries with any online batteries, because this is harvested from the JBL Go Bluetooth speaker itself, and the prices which I am going to give you will make you surprised, because it will be very cheap here. And I am just promoting this video for Gadget Spares. There is one more channel called Gadget Spares, so please do subscribe for that channel as well, and please subscribe if you are new to this channel Rs.399. So if you are going to buy, then you will buy through the given number here. These batteries are 600 mAh battery. I don't want to tell much specification of this, but still I will tell 3.7 volts 600 mAh batteries. The reason I am not telling you the specification, because this is harvested from JBL Go Bluetooth speaker itself, so no need to worry about specification. Just remove the mesh, remove the speaker housing, and you can just replace the battery inside this Go if you don't have any backup in your Bluetooth speaker, JBL Go first generation Bluetooth speaker. You may get the batteries online or offline, but you will definitely not get these batteries, because this is harvested from JBL Go. So this is original JBL Go battery. If you remove your speaker here, if you remove this mesh, and if you remove this speaker housing, then you will find these batteries only in this. So 100% same battery, because this has taken from this speaker. So please don't compare it with any other batteries. This is the first time in the complete platform in YouTube I am selling here these batteries behalf of Gadget Spares. So if you like this type of videos, please do like, share and subscribe to Rs.399, and please do like, share, subscribe to Gadget Spares as well. The number belongs to Gadget Spares. I will leave here. So if you want to buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price I will give you in the title and in the description. So cash on delivery is not there as of now. You have to pay in advance, full advance. Then we will be shipping this through India Post, anywhere in India, pan India, any pin code we have access, because we are sending it through India Post. So these batteries are completely tested. Each and individual battery is completely tested by charging and discharging and checking the capacity, because this is harvested from the speaker. So you can close your eyes and buy. We will ship the 100% working battery. Alright, that's it as of now. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to Rs.399 and hit that notification bell icon. And if you have any queries regarding the batteries, please write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.